As you can see, the zippers are right here. The door doesn't hold. They just tear right through. You see, it's still zipped up. You can see here, but down here at the bottom is where they keep tearing through, like they just keep pushing. And I don't have a big cat. Ellie, say hi. I don't even have a big cat, but she manages to tear right through this reinforced area. So it is what it is. I don't think it's this doesn't tear. I see them climb up sometimes and, you know, claw at it, but it doesn't tear, so this is good. But the zippers themselves don't really provide a lot of sturdiness, I guess you could say it like that. So yeah, looks like we might have to return this.
Drop. Are you okay?